Not everyone can afford a flagship phone like the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or iPhone 14 Pro Max, but plenty of cheaper devices offer an excellent experience all the same. Midrange phones usually offer the best balance of price and performance, packing in high-end features and powerful cameras while still sometimes costing half the price of top flagships, or even less, usually by using cheaper materials or omitting luxury features like wireless charging and waterproofing. Phones from the likes of OnePlus, Motorola, and Google are all great buys, and if you live outside North America you may find you have even more options from brands like Realme, Xiaomi, and Poco. Every phone in this list is available in either the US or UK, but not every model is available in both. Top 5 Best Mid-Range Phone. Number 5. Realme GT2 with an estimated price of $700. The Realme GT2 is a gentle follow-up to the previous year's GT, and doesn't tweak the specs too much, but to be honest, that's no bad thing. The Snapdragon 888 makes a return as the chipset, but it's still plenty powerful. A 120Hz AMOLED display, big battery, and excellent 65 watts fast charging round out the strong spec sheet. It's built out of plastic, which some don't mind but others might find holds it back from feeling like a flagship, but the biggest downside is that the strong main camera isn't well supported by the secondary lenses. Number 4. Google Pixel 7 with an estimated price of $600. Arguably the toughest competition for the Pixel 6a is the fact that you don't have to spend that much more to get the Pixel 7, which is just cheap enough to sneak into our mid-range chart, despite really being a flagship phone. That extra expenditure gets you one of the best cameras around at this price, with an exceptional main lens backed up by an equally strong ultra-wide. Both benefit from a few clever AI tricks delivered by Google's second-generation Tensor chip and can take a few shots that no other phone can. You also get a display jump to 90 Hz, though this is still behind the 120 Hz common in other phones this price, as is the slow 21 watts charging, with no charger included in the box either. The Pixel 7 is pretty big and heavy too, so won't suit anyone hoping for a small phone. Number 3. Poco X4 Pro 5G with an estimated price of $300. The Poco X4 Pro 5G is only just expensive enough to count as a mid-ranger in our books, but that just means it offers pretty exceptional value. The 6.67 inches, 120Hz AMOLED display is essentially flagship level, and it's matched by a slick, elegant design elsewhere. Even the camera impresses, with a surprisingly solid 108MP sensor for the main shooter, though the accompanying ultra-wide and macro cameras aren't as impressive. It's all made of plastic, so doesn't feel too premium, and we don't love the MIUI software running on here, shared by all Xiaomi, Poco, and Redmi phones. But overall this is an excellent package for the price. Number 2. OnePlus Nord 2T with an estimated price of $300. An outstanding follow-up to 2021's best mid-range phone, with 80 watts fast charging, 5G, OnePlus's signature Oxygen OS user experience, and a near-flagship main camera. What's not to love? What the OnePlus Nord 2T really demonstrates is the company's ability to prioritize the features that users are looking for right now and wrapping them up in an attractive package with a compelling price point. The Nord 2T misses out on flagship niceties like wireless charging and waterproofing, but those are really the only compromises made here. There's also the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G available, which delivers a stripped-back version for a slightly lower price. Number 1. Google Pixel 6a with an estimated price of $400. The Pixel 6a is a superb mid-range phone with a flagship-level processor, truly outstanding main camera, 5G connectivity, the latest version of Android, 5 years of security support, and a pocket-friendly design. The big downsides are the slow charging speeds on a phone that charges hot, the easily scratched rear plastic material, and the 60 Hz display lagging behind similarly priced phones. Yet, this is a Pixel, which means it has a superlative Android experience and camera with a software polish and premium hardware feel you won't find on other brands in this price range.